EverEdge galvanized steel edging is a wonderfully simple product, but the key to a good installation is all in the preparation. Your first job will be to mark out the area and the shape that you want to edge using a plumb line or piece of string. Secondly, you will need to prepare the ground by cutting a nice, clean face using a spade or a half-moon blade. This is essential in order to ensure that the EverEdge will have a great finish. Finally, remove the excess turf, but make sure to keep some just in case you need to backfill later. Now, lay your edging strips out along your edge so that they are easily accessible when you need them. Using a vise, a workbench, a block of wood, or even another piece of EverEdge, it is easy to form the edging strips to any angle you desire, giving you a nice, clean corner. EverEdge can also be easily flexed to create virtually any shape or curve that you may need. For strength and aesthetic reasons, it is good to have a 90-degree angle at the start and the finish of your installation. Interlock the sections as shown, making sure that the EverEdge logo is always facing forwards. A good tip here is to scrape the teeth in the ground. This will help you better prepare the area. Now, keeping your foot on the previous join, drive the EverEdge into the ground until the top edge is flush where your soil and grass meet. Once you've installed 2 or 3 pieces, use a screwdriver to push the tongue on the bottom join to about 45 degrees. One of the many joys of EverEdge is that the curves can be easily formed and will not need to be pre-bent. Just remember that tip to keep your foot on the previous join as you are driving the EverEdge in. Once your EverEdge is fully installed, it will relieve you of hours of endless maintenance and will leave your edges tidy and defined.